Click on the link below to get price. The Dri Eaz 1200 Commercial Dehumidifier is a robust and efficient solution for managing humidity in large spaces. With its impressive capacity to remove up to 18 gallons of moisture per day, this industrial-grade dehumidifier is perfect for basements, warehouses, and construction sites where moisture can lead to mold and structural damage. One of the standout features of the Dri Eaz 1200 is its built-in pump, which allows for continuous drainage. This is particularly beneficial for prolonged usage, as it eliminates the need to frequently empty a water reservoir. The pump can discharge water vertically up to 15 feet, making it flexible for various setups. Whether you're using it for drying out a flooded area or maintaining a controlled environment, this dehumidifier has you covered. The design is both portable and rugged, featuring sturdy wheels and a compact frame that make it easy to move from one location to another. Although it's engineered for industrial use, the controls are user-friendly, with an intuitive display that allows for easy monitoring and adjustments. It also has a built-in humidistat that automatically turns the unit on and off based on the humidity levels, which is an excellent energy-saving feature. In terms of performance, the Dri Eaz 1200 excels in maintaining optimal humidity levels. Users have reported noticeable improvements in air quality within hours of operation. It effectively combats musty odors and reduces condensation on surfaces, making it a great choice for anyone dealing with moisture-related issues. While the initial investment may be higher than residential dehumidifiers, its durability and efficiency justify the cost. The Dri Eaz 1200 is built to last, with high-quality materials and a reliable construction that can withstand continuous use. Overall, for those in need of a powerful and portable dehumidification solution, the Dri Eaz 1200 Commercial Dehumidifier is a top-tier choice that delivers exceptional results in controlling moisture levels.